betting moves fast. Odds shift, momentum changes, decisions happen in seconds. For players, cash out is a moment of choice. Lock in value or stay in the game. Traditional cash out models rely on static rules and struggle to keep up with live, fast-moving markets. Sportradar's Cashout Engine is more than a calculation tool. It's a full engine powering real-time cash-out decisions. Built to balance risk control and player engagement in a single, real-time decision. Configure margins by event, market, or player segment, with full transparency and control over every cash-out decision. Powered by one feed, the Cashout Engine works across all content and feeds, delivering consistent cash-out logic, rewards, and risk control for every player. One engine, one strategy, cash out built for the speed of live betting.